Hey guys, RTT back here from the video, guys. Today, we're going to go on Amazon.com. We're going to build a PC on Amazon.com. And this is going to be, I have made a couple budget videos on how to make budget PCs. And I just want to clarify this real fast. Everyone has their own budget. So again, budget does not mean cheap. Budget means based on how much money you have. So if you have $2,000 budget, you have $2,000. If you have a, I don't know, $100 budget and your $100 budget. So let's go ahead and start off right away. I'm going to create now this would be a PC. If you got this, you would be buying the parts, shipping them to yourself, and then using the parts. So it would not be as you would think. Like, it wouldn't be like, you spend, someone else is building it. You're building it yourself. You're doing this. So let's start off real fast with going with some PC cases. I'm going to go ahead and do this so I can actually get a little closer and actually touch my keyboard. And let's start off with some PC cases. So I think honestly the one I like personally is the one I already have, which is the it's just the Win. Hang on, it's the Win PC case. It's the Win. It's a W. There we are. It's this one right here. This is actually the one I have currently. But if I were going to upgrade and get, I would probably get the black edition of this, which I don't think Amazon has anymore. They used to have it, but I was actually thinking about one time buying it and actually creating a PC myself, but I never actually went ahead and went through with it. So with that in mind, I don't think they have it on Amazon anymore. So honestly, this is not a bad PC case. I have one personally. Currently, I have my radiator right up here with my three 120mm fans. Put 3 fans down here, and it's actually a really good one. So we're going to start off right away with our case being our $89. So that's actually not bad. Now, starting off with our CPU, I could go ahead and just go with an i9, 10900K and just call it a day. But I'm going to try to somehow say, actually, you know what? No. We are going for my budget, guys, and we are just going to go ahead and build this PC myself. All right, so starting off with this, we do have different versions of the 10900K. We have the OEM tray version. We have the OEM tray version. We have the typical version. I'm not sure the difference, and if you are looking into this, definitely make sure you do your, research on which one is the best one to go with, because I'm not sure right now. I gotta look up what the OEM versus non-OEM is. And right here we do have, of course, it's all third-party sellers, ships from Amazon and sold by Amazon, north to south. Oh, interesting. I did not even realize that. Okay, $625. We're gonna go ahead and go with this one, but I'm not sure if this is actually the correct one we go with. We might go with one of these other ones. I'm just not sure right now the difference is. But with that in mind, it's not bad. So now that we have the CPU, we have the bad boy right there. Let's go ahead and go with the motherboard. And the motherboard we're going to go ahead and go with, guys, is actually going to be, if I could think about this in my head right now, the name of this motherboard. Hang on. I'm going to have to just type in that because I got it. Crap. I think it's Asus. It's the Asus Hero. Yep, it's right there. That one right there. All right, so we can't go with this one because this is an AMD motherboard and it has AMD socket, and this is actually a great motherboard. Let me go ahead and say this. It's a great motherboard if you're looking to get this new AMD 5000 series processors. This is the best motherboard for you, but if you're going with Intel, you're not going to get it. So you know what that means? We're going for it, and we're going to not do Intel. No. I can't do that. No, we're doing it. We're going to do this, guys. And I think actually, we're going to use this as a placeholder. Okay. So this is, again, for AMD. It's not for Intel. If you are getting the 5000 series in 2 days, then this would be the best motherboard for you, in all honesty. And that's probably what I'm going to do, in all honesty, for this build, is I'm probably going to not go with the 10900K, and I probably will go with the AMD. So if you want to think about it this way, just add to this price tag $750. That's how much the new AMD build is, okay? So the new processors is. Now we have the motherboard. Now we have that. Now we need the M.2 SSD. And I'm not going to go really expensive here, in all honesty. I don't think we need to go too crazy expensive. I probably go with it's not telling me the gigabyte or what's called the storage of these, which is kind of interesting. Let's go ahead and go with a 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte M.2 SSD. All right. Like I said. Okay, so it doesn't say on here how much storage is actually. Oh, it says 1 terabyte there, but it doesn't tell us anywhere else. So that was disappointing. Anyway, though, go with a 1 terabyte SSD. We'll put the Windows on there. Let me speak correctly. All right, so once we got the SSD, we got that. Let's go with the power supply. Power supply, honestly, I was actually thinking about going with 1200. And the reason why, and don't kill me for this, guys, but it's because power supplies right now are overpriced. They're really overpriced. And a lot of them you can't even find anymore. And it's getting to a point now where 1200 might be somewhat similar to what a 1,000 watts power supply is. And by me saying that is completely incorrect because, as you can see, it has come down in value a little bit. All right, so we got the power supply, we got the M.2 storage, we got the motherboard, and we got the case. So what do we need next? Let's go with the RAM. We're going to go with 32 gigabytes of, let's go with DDR4, of course. And I'll probably go with 3200. Probably go with 3200 here. And not SRAM. This is for if you were going for the Mac Mini. That's the kind of RAM you would actually get. But we're not going for Mac Mini. So we're going to probably go with Corsair. I do love Corsair. I have a lot of Corsair. I literally have my one PC build is just Corsair. And we're going to pay up. We're going to pay up for Corsair, guys. We're going to go with 32 gigabytes. 32 gigabytes, and now we have the RAM. So what do we need next? We need a liquid cooling unit. We could go air-cooled for this system, but I'm probably going to go with the liquid-cooled. And I'm probably going to go with the Corsair Hydro X series right here. And I'm probably going to go with... Oh, wait. Do they have the 120 millimeters on Amazon is the question. I like this one, but I want to go with the one where it's 3 radiators. Let me see. They don't. They have... NZXT has theirs. Oh, wait, no. This one right here. Right? Am I correct? Yep. This is the 3 Corsair fans and then the liquid cooling. Okay, so awesome. 189. We'll take it. Put it on the card. Let's go. Okay, so right now, let's just do a recap, guys. We have... Let me go ahead and fix my screen for you guys. We have currently... Dude, this is not working out with me, guys. All right, here we go. We have a liquid cooling unit. We got our RAM. We got our PSU. We got our M.2 storage. And, of course, we have a motherboard. And, of course, we have our case. So, we're looking pretty good. Only thing we need left, really, is... First off, I'm going to get some Corsair. So, we can get a little closer there. Corsair case fans. So, I'm just going to get a 3... I'll get the LL series here. Let's get 3 typical case fans we can go ahead and put in there. So, now we have top. We'll have a radiator. Bottom, we'll have 3 case fans. And honestly, I'll probably put 1 more case fan in here. But we'll probably hold off on that right now at the moment. But let's think about what else we need. So, I think everything is good, I believe. We're not going to look at RGB right now at the moment. Now, we would also have to go ahead and buy Windows 10. That's another thing we'd have to buy. That's not part of this video, but we'd have to buy it. We have to add it to it. And the next thing is a graphics card. Now, you don't want to buy graphics cards off of freaking Amazon because their prices are going to be ridiculously stupid. In all honesty. And right now, the best bet right now is probably waiting for a 3070 or a 3080 or 3090 to come up in value, or show up in value and actually show itself. Currently I do have a 2080 Ti and I have a 3090. So I don't really need to buy a graphics card, but for this build, if we were buying a graphics card, just cause, I don't know which one I would probably go with, but I wouldn't go with one off Amazon. I would probably, this is kind of like the AMD side thing, where I push it toward using this on, not Amazon, using this on eBay and getting for a 3080 on eBay. Or I'm not 3080, a 2080 Ti on eBay. So I'd probably go ahead and go with that for that. But guys, that's pretty much it for this video. So our total is, and keep in mind, you're going to add $700 to this price tag because $750 for the AMD processor, the 5000 series processor. You have to add a graphics card, which even if you say I'm going to wait until I get a 3070 at $499, that's still going to be another $1,100. So that's $2,500 for this build. And yeah, so about $2,500 for this whole entire build, not including if you use a USB extension hub inside the PC. If you want to get Windows 10, of course, is going to cost you another $120. And then you're going to have to get most likely another external storage because you probably don't want to just have 1 terabyte on the whole entire thing. So you might get another SSD. So overall, this is why I think a lot of people go with CyberPower, NZXT, Digital Storm to build their PCs because, yeah, it's a lot to really map this out and buy this all yourself and then have to put this all together once it comes in the mail. And obviously, not everything is going to come the same day, so you're going to have to wait for things to show up, and it's just going to be a whole entire mess. So with that in mind, yeah, that's what we got. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like button, hit that like and subscribe button down below. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.